The Department of Transportation announces that students are now eligible for a 50% discount on all train rides starting Friday, June 20. According to Transportation Secretary Vince Tizon, the discount applies to all three major rail lines in Metro Manila.
Magdadagdag tayo ng discount for all students sa LRT1, LRT2, at MRT-V. At yung dating 20% discount lang sa mga estudyante ay inutos ng Pangulo na gawin natin 50%. So, starting today, 50% na ang discount ng ating mga estudyante. At tuloy-tuloy na ito hanggat hindi mabago.
Dizon says a discount covers all students, including those enrolled in postgraduate studies. To avail of the discount, students must present a valid student ID for the current school year or a certificate of registration or enrollment. The discount will also apply on weekends and holidays. However, the discount is only available for single journey tickets and is not yet applicable to beep cards.
Technically, hindi pa kaya ng beep card na i-program sa ngayon. Pero pinipigit natin na siguro in the next few months, magagawa ng paraan ng beep card. Pero sa ngayon, single journey ticket muna